friends, welcome to Creating with Jovi and to my collaboration with PandaHall. Today I am going to do an unboxing of all of these wonderful goodies that you see on my desk. I want to let you know that I will have all of these items linked in my description box. I am also going to share a 10% coupon code with you, and that will be in my description box as well. The first item that I'm going to share with you are these adorable ice cream cone charms, and I wanted to let you know that they come in a pack of 50. Friends, look at these fantastic ice cream cones. I am so excited to create with these. I literally can't wait. And I can envision they're a little bit big for a bracelet, but definitely earrings or a necklace. But also for those of you that create tassels, how fun would these little ice cream cones be? There are 20 of these gorgeous strawberries. Look at these precious strawberry charms. I cannot wait to make something with these. I'm going to zoom in so that you can see them up close, but they're so sweet. They're light pink. You can see they're translucent. They have a little green top. They are so adorable. In this package, there are 30 of these adorable resin envelopes. Look at these charms, my friends. Now I wanted to mention, of course you can see they have sort of a Valentine theme. You can use them anytime to express your love, but I ordered these now because I wasn't sure how long shipping would take, and I want to tell you that shipping was very, very quick. So I felt really good about that. So let me measure these for you. This measures 1.5 inches by an inch. So we have 1 inch by 1.5 inches. They're a nice, good size charm that you could do a lot of fun things with. And some things that come to mind for me is they could be attached to a card. They could be made into a necklace, and certainly hung in a tassel. And I'm sure there are lots of other things that I'll try to think of between now and my next video. I wanted to let you know that these safety pins come in a 100 count package. Friends, I'm so excited to share these pink pins with you. Look at them. Aren't they so delicious and wonderful? And some projects that come to mind, you can take these and add fabric or beads and use them as journal embellishments. Certainly you could use them in any slow stitching projects. I love them. I love that they are pink. This container of precious pink teapots comes in a 20 count. Look at these cute little teapot charms. They are absolutely adorable. And I think you could make a bracelet with these. So cute. You definitely could turn one into a necklace. Definitely could make earrings out of them. Could also put these in a tassel. These would be so super cute attached to tabs in a journal. So it'll be fun to see what we come up with. These precious little goodies come in a 10-pack. Friends, wait till you see these. These are beautiful glass charms, and they are like little mason jars. They have little lemons in them, and they are just so cute. I definitely can envision this being used for a necklace. I can also envision these on a tassel. I can envision them in my dollhouse. So I just love them. I think they're so pretty. Friends, look at these precious cabochons. I love them. They are, of course, flat back. They have an ice cream theme. So I'm going to spread these out for you so that you can see them. But they are so cute. All right, so my friends, we have like kiwi ice cream, and then we have what looks like a traditional ice cream. We got pineapple here, watermelon over here. This is kind of watermelon. Look at this one with the little strawberries on top. These are just so cute. And you know, we can use these in all kinds of projects because they're flat backs. So we've got journals, tags, journal covers, greeting cards, all kinds of ways that we can use these adorable flat backs. Friends, I wanted to show you that I got a box full of beautiful pink beads. So let's open these up. I do hope the color translates. These are glass. They're a very light blush pink, and I think they are just beautiful. These beads are pink marble, so you'll see that there's some white on there, but they have a beautiful marbled effect. These are pink, but they lean a little bit into the peach color family, and they are stunning. Here are some more glass beads, and they are pink, and they are not the same pink as the first glass beads that I showed you. These have a little bit of a raspberry tone in them, and you can see, hopefully you can see through the plastic, but these are more of a pure pink, and these have light pink and sort of raspberry on some of the edges. Really, really pretty. Here's another shade of pink glass beads, and these are particularly fun because they have a really nice shimmer on them. I hope you can tell that there's a little bit of pearlescent on them, and I just love that. Here we have some more glass beads, and these are kind of cool because they have like that crackle effect in them. They are a light but bright pink. There are a few areas on them where they have a real pop of color. Super fun, super pretty. My friends, wait till you see these cutie pies. These are adorable pink sea stars. Aren't they precious? Definitely going to make a bracelet with these, with some of the other beads mixed in, of course. Here we have some more glass beads. Really, really super pretty. I don't know if I can zoom in close enough so that you can see the detail that we have here, but it's a translucent pink glass bead, and there's like a little bit of glitter on some of the edges, and the glitter is almost a rose gold color. These are beautiful. My friends, these are so cute. They are little pink fish. How much do you love them? They're so cute. Here we have some more pink glass beads. I would say these are the lightest in color. They are pure and clear, and like no, glitter or anything like that in them. I absolutely love them. I think they're beautiful. They're like almost like a champagne pink. Really pretty. All right, my friends, here we have some really pretty pink seed beads, and they range from light pink to a vibrant, almost fuchsia or bubblegum, really probably leaning a little more bubblegum, but they are fantastic. Friends, I received some 1mm cord. It actually was a 4-pack, which is fantastic. I really like the case that it comes in because if you have jewelry wire, you put it away and it gets unraveled inside, of your case. So this is fantastic. Like I said, it's 1mm. It should fit with the beads that I purchased. So I will definitely be making some bracelets with this, and maybe even necklaces too. We'll have to see. But I love that it's a 4-pack, so the price is right on this. And again, love that it comes in this handy container to keep it corralled. So good stuff there. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I wanted to let you know I will have some videos coming up showing what I decide to create with these, and I'm super excited to share that with you. All the links for all of this is in my description box, as well as the coupon code for PandaHall. Thanks for watching. See you soon.